So I would be remiss if I didn't ask you about 2016 politics. I'm sure you're tired of hearing this, but this is actually not a question about Hillary Clinton. Governor Martin O'Malley, your home state governor from Maryland.
The governor was just standing
here.
With us.
And this is his final year in office. He delivered his State of the State. He has made a lot of policy choices to sort of lay out a progressive blueprint that could be a foundation for running for president in a primary. Is this something he should do? I mean,
look, I think there are few governors in America any more successful in setting forth an agenda to grow jobs, to grow the economy, to make the environment better, to build infrastructure for the 21st century. I think there are few governors in America that over 7 years have been as successful as Martin O'Malley. I think Martin O'Malley would be an excellent president. I think Martin O'Malley is obviously, this is his last year. He will be looking to what he wants to do next. I think clearly Martin O'Malley is on everybody's short list as presidential possibilities, and I think he'd be a good president. As I've said, I think Hillary Clinton is certainly the odds-on favorite of most Democrats if she runs. I don't accept as a given that she'll run. Frankly, if she doesn't run, I'm going to be a big supporter of Martin O'Malley's. I think he'd be an excellent governor.
Well, you heard that here first
excellent president.
at rollcall.com.